Limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have an NPB cap. NPB is Japanese baseball. So let's take a look at what we have in today. Here it is, Yomiuri Giants. They are kind of like the evil umpire, or equivalent to the New York Yankees, just the way of winning tradition. They're not a well-loved team. Many fans love them, but then you got that section that just absolutely can't stand them. It's a fair comparison between the Yankees and the Yomiuri Giants. This is presented by Famous Thinking. Famous Thinking. You can buy your NPB caps from New Era there. Shop.famousthinking.com. Working with a 7 and an 8. Once again, classic look right there on the logo. Beautiful. Side shot of the Yomiuri Giants cap. Look at the back of the cap now. You should see the NPB logo is there. A lot of teams do not have this. Like from a New Era standpoint, New Era and Yomiuri Giants are partnered. So they actually, make hats for, New Era does for the Giants team. And a lot of the other NPB teams do not have New Era as their merchandise maker. They have other brands, 47 brand, Majestic. There might be a few others. But so that is why you see that. So if you see a New Era and NPB team, it's rare that you see that patch. I think it was... They used to do it like maybe 2010, 2016 they had it, but different license agreements came up. They no longer can use that NPB cap if it's a New Era and it's not the official merchandise maker of that particular team, if that does make sense. So like, I don't know, the SoftBank Hawks, if they use that NPB cap or that patch in the back, it would have to be with that merchandise maker, either 47 brand, I believe that is their... It can't be like, if it was a New Era SoftBank Hawks, you're not allowed to have that. So let's take a look at other aspects. Gray UV. This is Giants logo, 1934. That is their existence. New Era, 701/8, 56.8 cm, 59Fifty on the inside of the cap. What do you think of this bad boy? You like it or love it, dislike it or hate it. NPB caps are pretty awesome. My opinion, different designs, kind of traditional designs, but in a cool way. So it's nice to see NPB and New Era, at least in the States. And I don't know of one United States distributor, seller that actually sells NPB caps that has, that carries the items or has a license to sell them per se. Well, actually, you don't really. You just need it. Well, you do need a license to sell New Era caps, buy in bulk. I believe you need to have a storefront. That's how it works, or to create customs. But for Giants caps, I don't know of any store that just carries NPB New Era, and it's rare. There isn't. It's not like it's mass produced, so that's also a thing. It is a rare thing. It's rare to get New Era and the NPB variety. And Japan is usually the place to get it. So thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed this content. More NPB caps on the way. If you subscribe, you don't want to miss it. Take a look. And we will catch you on the next one. Have yourself a wonderful day. And so long.